So today I'm going to talk about the HTML creatives. So how you can test your HTML creative before uploading on your ad server, on your DCM. As we know, there are the multiple creatives in market. So if I'll talk about the DCM creatives, so there are the multiple creatives in market, like static creatives, which will be the image, the simple image creative. And if I'll talk about the HTML creative, that will be like animated creatives, like where you can see the animation and something like that. Some image will come with the animation and content, everything. So, and video creative and the rich media creatives. So today I'm going to talk about the HTML creatives. So how you can test your HTML creative before uploading on your ad server, on your DCM. So once you set up a campaign, you have to upload. Once you create that, so you have to upload the creatives. So if I'll talk about the HTML creatives, so here I'll go through so how you can go and how you can test your HTML creative so before uploading into your ad server. So if you get any error, so you should not upload it because it will be the problem. So if you have uploaded it and in future what will happen is it won't serve from the publishers or websites, and what will happen is you will not be able to track anything. So before that you have to check everything. So I'll go through so how you can test it. Just I'll go on the browser, just go on this browser and search HTML5 validator and search and click HTML5 validator. This is the UI page and this is fully free, so you no need to pay anything to your uh, uh, Google or any like who is having who is the owner for that. So no need to pay for that. It's a free from Google, so you can search directly and you can check your HTML creatives. So just I'll show you how you can upload the creative. Just go here and check, click and select any HTML creative. I'll select this one and check. So this works or not. If you see any error in this page, so it means like you have to reach out to your agency or a creative agency, creative studio team who has created the creative with the creative graphic teams like that. So just you can see, and after that you have to click it. So it should be clickable because if it is not clickable, this is the problem. So again you have to reach out to the your creative team or your graphic team. So just I see that here also you can see a landing page were detected, so that is fine for that. So now, but just here we see the error. It says the cause file hosted by third party, which could be an issue if the third party cannot handle the higher server load. Yes, so it might be the problem. If server is slow or something like this, it will not be able to load your ads or a creative, so you will not get the tracking status, the impression clicks you will not be able to. Sometimes you can fail to get it. So it's better to ask with the creative team to make some changes or fix it, or whatever you are getting the error, that you can explain with him, and then only you should upload it. Because what will happen is, as I explained before as well, if you will upload it, it could be the problem in future and you will not be able to serve your ads for some time because of server issue, server slow, if it's server slow or something like that. So it's really important things to check before uploading your creatives on the ad server or any on the DCM or something like that. So just I'll tell you and I'll show you. These all are the file which is pass secure URL check, that is fine. Top level, these all are the file you will get inside the zip or HTML file. So this is a collection of all the things in one file. So we can say the HTML file will be is the collection of the multiple creatives or the multiple features. So because of that, here you can check. So if any error you will get, you will find some error here. These all are the sign is correct, means it's a green color, it means that is fine. But here you are getting only one error, that is the it might be the problem while serving your ads. So you need to contact with your advertiser team, or sorry, agency who has created the creative, or creative team, graphics team, like that. Yeah, it's all about. If you have any question on it, you can comment in the comment section. I'll respond to that. And yeah, thank you so much.